Last week, we finished our Student Leadership Congress, in which we had 600 students come into school sharing their perspectives about education and the quality of education. It was amazing to see all these perspectives, not only from students, but also the different authorities that came into school to talk about this important topic. Congratulations to everyone that participated. We also are having this week the Day of Santanderianidad. We like in this day to have students think about their roots and the place that they come from and all their surroundings. So Santander is also a very important issue in our agenda. I would also like to say to everyone and to inform everyone that right now we're having our harvest in our school garden. We're having different vegetables, and everything that is related to this project is coming out to be amazing. So all the people interested in participating in the garden, you're more than welcome. I would like to say also that it's a great opportunity to say hello to all the mothers and to congratulate them in their work as parents and as mothers of all our kids in our community. It is amazing to work with you. For this occasion, we would like to celebrate our Mother's Day with a great conference from an international person that is coming. Her name is Berna Iskandar. She's an authority of how to raise kids in a respectful way. So I hope that you can all come. On Friday, we're going to have our Teachers' Day. So it's going to be a great opportunity to share with our teachers and also to have a very important day with them for all the work that they do with the students. So we're going to be doing that. We will not have class, as we're going to dedicate this time to all the teachers. Last is our open house that is going to be going on Saturday. This open house will encourage parents that are outside of our community to come and to know about our project and to know about what we're doing in terms of education. So if you have people interested, invite them to come. We'll be having this activity from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. Thank you very much and have a great week.